In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly autofill in Google Sheets and seamlessly drag formulas or fill down series to make your data entry process more efficient and less time-consuming. Let's dive right in and ease the burdens of repetitive data tasks. To begin, make sure to open a Google Sheet file where we will practice the magic of autofill. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Sheets and either open an existing document or start a new one. Once your sheet is open and ready, we can proceed. The first thing you'll want to do is select a cell by simply clicking on it. Let's click on cell A1. After selecting cell A1, you'll enter the number 1. Now, move to cell A2 and place the number 2. Following that, in cell A3, type 3. We're setting up a basic numerical series here. Once you have those numbers in place, highlight all 3 cells, A1, A2, and A3. To do this, simply click and hold on A1 and drag down to A3. Notice the highlighted border around these cells, indicating your selection is active. Next comes the fun part, autofill. With cells A1 to A3 highlighted, there's a small square at the bottom right corner of your selection called the fill handle. Click this tiny square and drag it downwards. Watch as Google Sheets intelligently continues your series in subsequent cells. This little trick saves you immense amounts of time when dealing with repetitive data. Let's shift gears slightly to explore autofilling dates. Click on cell C1. Here, type in today's date. For cell D1, enter the date for tomorrow. Then, in cell E1, give it the date for the day after tomorrow. Just as we did before with numbers, select or highlight cells C1 through E1. It's a similar process. Click C1, hold your mouse button down as you move over to E1. Now, once again, that handy little fill handle appears. Just click and drag it to the right or downwards, depending on how you want to extend your series. You'll find that Google Sheets automatically extends the date sequence, keeping the gaps between dates consistent. A fantastic aspect of Google Sheets is its versatility, accommodating a variety of data types beyond numbers and dates. It's equally adept with formulas, text patterns, and more. Mastering these basic steps will empower you to manipulate and organize data more effectively, saving valuable time and reducing the room for error in your spreadsheets. I hope you found this guide intuitive and helpful. Use these tips to enhance your data management and streamline your tasks effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.